Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about black color cars. Nowadays, companies are selling black color cars like dark edition, blackbird edition, or selling black cars more price with some cosmetic changes done, and the price is almost 1 to 2 lakhs more. And why you should not prefer a black car? Today topic is, number one, the black car absorbs more heat and the cabin will be heated very fast, and the AC takes time to cool, more time to cool. There's lot of AC maintenance will happen, right? AC will take time to cool because of the heat in the absorption from the black color car. And another reason why you should not look at buying the black color car is, if you bought a black color car, you have to maintain the car. You have to clean the car 2 to 3 times in the day to see that the car color is maintained. Because even a small dust or a small scratch or a dent will be visible from far. Maintaining the black color car is costly. Even black color cars fades fast. The black color car compared to the white color car, becomes older or fades, the color fades faster. The same 5 years, you buy a white color car and a black color car. After 5 years, the white looks new, the black looks older. Then in night driving, black color car is not safe. It is not, because you are driving on highway and the visibility of the black color car is very less. Until it comes to near to you, you will not be able to visualize the black color car. So they are more accident prone, not safer in driving in the night, the black color car, dark edition, whatever is you're calling about. And black color cars, resale is also less. The reason is it fades. The takers of black color car are less, so resale of black color car is less. These are the reasons why you should not buy black color car in our country. For our safety, for our usage. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.